American families who earn less than $100,000 a year. They're all going to receive checks of between $1,200 and $2,500. Astonishingly, we have learned overnight that President Trump is insisting that his signature be on those checks. He wants Americans to know precisely where the money's coming from.
For the latest information on the coronavirus outbreak, I can't remember anything like it in my lifetime. I don't think there's really been anything like it in peacetime. Stay with LBC News.
Just to bring you the latest figures that have literally just reached us here at LBC News, and a total of 1,019 patients have died after testing positive for coronavirus in the UK. That's as of 5 o'clock yesterday evening. That's from the Department of Health. This is just reaching us up from 759.